I want to call your attention to the Labor Day weekend of 2022. Was there a birthday party celebration for your younger daughter?
Yes.
And she was going to be turning 18, is that right?
Yes.
How many girls were invited to attend the festivities over that weekend?
There were, including my daughter, 12 girls.
Okay. Where were they supposed to stay for that weekend?
We rented a house that we all stayed in.
Okay. Was this house like a mansion?
No.
Can you describe to the best of your ability what it looked like?
It was a typical normal house. It had about three bedrooms and bathrooms.
Okay. Did you guys have inflatable mattresses for some of the girls?
I believe we did, yes.
Was there a party planned for Sunday night of September the 4th of 2022?
Yes.
And was that supposed to be at a place called The Point?
Yes.
Who coordinated that party?
My husband did.
Were you involved in the planning or paying for that party?
No.
Before that party, did you and your husband take these 12 girls, including your daughter, out onto Biscayne Bay?
Yes, we did.
I have an exhibit here. It states exhibit number 8 in evidence. Can you take a look and tell me if this list represents the people that went out that weekend on the boat with you and your husband, including you and your husband?
Yes, that's correct, yes.
And aside from you and your husband, were any of these people over the age of 21?
Notice what the prosecutor is doing here. This isn't just small talk about a birthday weekend anymore. The testimony has now established a boat full of teenagers, a holiday weekend, and that no one besides the husband was over 21. Jurors are being given the cast of characters before they're shown the tragedy that follows. Every detail matters because it helps paint the scene exactly as it existed that day.
No.
When you went out into Biscayne Bay that day, was this the first time your husband had ever operated that boat?
No.
Had you ever operated that boat?
Yes.
How up on that day on September the 4th of 2022? Can you tell the jurors, did you operate that boat?
No, I did not.
Who was the only person that operated the boat on September 4th of 2022?
My husband.
Did you serve as a lookout either on the way out toward Billy's Point or on the way back?
I don't remember.
Okay.
At this point, everything still sounds like a typical celebration. Music, dancing, friends, and a day on the water. But in courtroom storytelling, moments like these often become powerful because jurors know what's coming next. The contrast between carefree memories and a catastrophic outcome can carry enormous emotional weight.
Was there a cooler on your boat that had alcoholic drinks that afternoon?
There was.
Did you film a video that afternoon of the girls singing and dancing along to the song Uptown Girl?
I don't remember the song, but I did film the girls dancing and singing.
Okay. Showing counsel states exhibits 2G and 2H for identification. Mrs. Bino, I'm showing you states 2G and 2H for identification.
Yes.
Do you recognize what these photographs represent?
Yes.
Are these accurate photographs of what a bottle of Chambord and what a bottle of Prosecco looks like?
Yes.
The state moves 2G and 2H for identification and evidence.
No additional objections.
State Exhibit 2G, previously marked for identification, will become State Exhibit number 20 and 2H 21.
And to be clear, State's Exhibit number 20 is a bottle of Chambord.
Here's where the prosecution starts connecting dots. The questions about alcohol aren't random. They're building a timeline. How much was consumed? Who was drinking? When did it happen? Even if the amounts seem small, attorneys want jurors thinking carefully about whether anything may have affected judgment, awareness, or decision-making that day.
Correct.
What is Chambord?
It's a liqueur.
What kind of flavor does it have?
Like a berry flavor, I think.
Okay. And then State's Exhibit number 21, a bottle of Prosecco?
Correct.
Is that kind of like champagne?
Take a look at how this photograph is being used. It's not just evidence, it's personalization. Instead of discussing an anonymous group, jurors are seeing real teenagers with names, faces, and futures. In a trial involving a fatal accident, those visual reminders can have a significant impact on how testimony is received.
Yes.
Do you ever combine Prosecco with Chambord?
Yes.
Did you on September 4th, 2022, while out at the sandbar?
I did. I had in a Yeti. I put some Prosecco and a little splash of Chambord.
This may be one of the most important answers in the entire testimony. The witness says she was focused on her phone and didn't see how the collision happened. That leaves a critical question unanswered. If one of the closest people on the boat wasn't watching, who can fully explain the final moments before impact? What do you think jurors make of that admission?
Okay, and how many of those did you consume?
I had one or two.
Okay. I'm now showing you State's Exhibit number 10 in evidence. Do you recognize the girls in this photograph?
I do.
Are these the girls that were on your boat, with the exception of Mia?
Did you catch that objection? The prosecutor tried to directly tie the victim's death to the husband's collision with the channel marker, but the defense objected and the judge sustained it. That's a reminder that lawyers can't simply argue facts while questioning a witness. They must ask questions that stay within the rules of testimony. It's a brief courtroom moment, but legally, it's a significant one.
Who took the photograph? Are these all the girls that were on your boat?
Yes.
They were all about 17, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Do you know how it is that your husband wound up smashing into channel marker 15?
The accident, how it occurred?
How did he wind up crashing into it?
I do not know.
Why not?
I was looking at my phone trying to send a text to the moms, a video of the girls dancing. I was trying to send it to the moms, and I remember looking at the blue line and being upset and frustrated that it wasn't going through the text, and I was looking at my phone.
I'm showing you now State's Exhibit number 1. Who is this?
Lucy.
And she died because your husband crashed into that channel marker, right?
She died because there was an accident.
I asked you if she died because he collided with a channel marker.
Judge, I'm going to object to argument.
Sustained. Anything else? Sustained.
No other questions?
Cross.
Judge, do we have a brief sidebar? Brief, very brief. No questions at this time.
Okay.
So there's no cross-examination, and the witness will be under subpoena.
Okay.
All right? As
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.